here we go. You know, cause I'm somebody a little bit. Hey, right, yeah. Let's look around us, these cars. Right? Just bland and stale and dull and ooh, y'all like them diamond. Harpy, he about to start giving y'all long videos again. Bruh. Yeah, here we go. And different color car, man.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
With the highway patrol. The reason why I stopped you is your window tint and then no plates. Have you your driver's license?
Yep.
At first I couldn't tell if you were still in the carpool.
You know, flashy car, different color. I'm used to the program.
Yeah. How come you don't have your plates?
I just got out the shop. And when I take it to the shop, I don't want nobody to know where I live.
Really? What's what insurance company do you have?
Geico.
Geico?
Yep.
Okay. Do you have your plates in your trunk or do you have them in
No, I have them right here.
It came out.
This one.
Okay.
When do you plan to put them on?
I'm gonna put them on today. This is.
Really? Oh, let me get the plate. What car shows do you go to?
I've been going to the Orange County Irvine one, and we go to one in Santa Clarita.
Off-road?
Yeah.
Oh, you just try to be right back.
Okay. Oh, for reals?
For reals a lot.
Plates on later today. I'm cool with not citing you for
okay,
plates.
I appreciate it for sure.
Does that sound fair? Or?
Yep. Oh yeah, I appreciate that.
Do you have one? You don't have a mount in the front, huh?
No. It didn't even come with one.
You should get the mount that goes on the
right, where I could put it on and take it off. Right, yeah.
Or whatever. That's what I put on mine.
Yeah, that's what the guys at the car shows be having too.
Yeah, and I just take it off and I don't want it.
Right, yeah.
But at least have the back one, man. Come on.
Okay, yep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
If you could just do yourself that favor, because I guarantee you're gonna get stopped again.
Oh yeah, this is my second time.
For the plates?
Yeah, but they.
Just for the plate?
Yeah.
Oh, so you always have them off?
Well, when I'd have to go get work or music, I don't want people to get my, you know, because I'm somebody a little bit. Hey, right, yeah.
All right, dude.
All right.
But I'm just letting you know ahead of time. You might keep getting
Yeah, I'm going to put them on.
It's like annoying because you're like delayed to where you got to go.
Right, exactly,
so
yeah.
you don't want to be delayed. Like,
oh, I know.
Window tint, whatever, it kind of matches the car. You got
right.
the wrap going on, but no plates. Just get your plates on.
Okay, will do. Thanks for the advice.
All right, gentlemen. See ya.
All right, have a good one. What you laughing at?
Just inconveniencing us for the day.
Gotta put those plates on, man. You ain't inspired me to put them plates on.
You almost got yourself in a little conundrum there.
What happened?
You're like, oh, it was the second I was pulled over. Oh, so you've been driving?
Oh, yeah, I don't give a f. Like, I know y'all harassing me.
Right.
That's my point of that.
Yeah.
So what's up with the guys? So yeah, man, got pulled over. I think this is about the second time getting pulled over in this. Wait. Third. That was the third time getting pulled over at Camaro. And whenever I drive this, I expect it, but it's more flattery now because I know that, you know, just let's look around us, these cars, right? Just bland and stale and dull and no life to them, right? Then all of a sudden, boom, you see this coming down the freeway. Shiny, light, full of life, fun, right? Don't nobody like to see nobody have fun, right? I'm crazy. They don't like to see nobody have fun, Hypey Whitey. So I get it. I get why the popo, and most of the popo, they already know about the Camaro bars. You know what I'm saying? Kendrick Lamar, look out, because I'm coming with the bars. You know what I'm saying? So it's expected, no hard feelings. Like I say, most of the law enforcement. Thank you for all you guys' service, putting you guys' life at risk every day. I was going to be one myself, but I took the wrong turn and ended up, you know, on the wrong turn, you know what I mean? But I bounced back, and I appreciate, you know, the good law-abiding, the good cops out there, you know what I mean? Hey, you guys are needed. So, or it'd be chaos, you know what I mean? So, yeah, man, I know a lot of people like put your license plate on, but it's bigger than that. Police, they don't even see the license plate, you know what I mean? So, and then I'm gonna say 95% of cops know this car because they're car enthusiasts, and this car is all over the world, you know, social media. So, but I'm gonna put the license plate, I'm getting one personalized or whatever. So I am gonna put a license plate, then I'll see what the excuse is then. You know what I mean? I'll show y'all, it's not the license plate. It's just the car. And like I say, it's flattery to me because I understand. You know what I mean? It just, if I was a cop, I'd be, oh, they go Collie Muscle. That car is nice. I'm not going to interrupt a day or possibly get in an argument and all that to, you know what I mean? I just wouldn't be wasting people's time because time is money. You know what I mean? So yeah, man, we're going to go in this warehouse, prepare for this expo, man. Let's do it. See, yeah, so it ain't good unless you gotta open it.
Like that.
See what I'm saying? Make sure it's sealed, boy. So we gonna take it. We gonna take it to the extreme. We gonna take it scooped and wash it down with some more of it on an empty stomach. Don't try this at home if you. Second time taking it with you. Ooh, y'all like them diamond is a girl's best friend. You get this at hyphylife.com, and if you want a discount, if you want to save some money, extra buddy, because I'm making sure already that mine is the best and the cheapest on the market. You know what I mean? Use the code YT. Go to hyphylife.com, use the code YT. This right here, hands down, is the best thing on the market. I see people doing these infomercials, doing a little commercial. You can't talk to these people. You talk to me, right? I'm live streaming, I'm doing videos, I answer comments that I feel are pertinent to the culture and to me and the movement, you know what I mean? Ain't nobody doing like this. You go get this stuff, you order it. How many days does it take us to ship? 3. See, you get it in 3 days, man. You know, probably fast if you expedite it. You know what I'm saying? You get it expedited. You know, right here, bro. If you want to be yoked, people can say what they want, man. I've been yoked since I was a kid, and I'm not gonna sell y'all no BS. So let me give y'all a reason why. So, and I always hate to go to this type of talk, but this type of talk y'all like and respect. Because most of us, you know, most of y'all use smoke and do what you do, right? It's all right. You having fun. You living your life. So when I was in the drug game, and this is already documented, I already did time for it, so I could talk about it. And it's in my book, Ex-Con, Alright Guy. When I was in the drug game, getting multiple kilos, I'm talking about, I could call him up, hey, Fernando, let me get 10 of them kilos, you know? So he would give them to me, right? I couldn't cut it. You see what I'm saying? When I had it distributed through the little workers, they wanted raw, right? I would have been being shicey if I would have cut it. And they come take your life. So I look at life like that. I'm not going to cut it, or I'm not going to give y'all something I don't take firstly. And I never took none of my coke, by the way, because I knew it was too potent that I would OD because I'd never been on drugs like that, right? So with this, I want y'all to go crazy. If you're a truck driver, yeah, I still love 18-wheeler truck drivers. They try to make it like I don't lie, do video. I love you. You the one who shipped the, you dry the stuff to me. I'm not gonna love you. Y'all hard workers. I had Fred, that was 18-wheeler truckers. All that, man. So don't let the internet make up a story just because. Anyway, if you're a trucker, you take this, boy, you don't want to go get sleeping for 31 hours, boy. Huh? If you're a doctor, you want to do a good surgery, make sure you do it quick and fast so you get to another one, make another 25, 100,000 cash. You know what I'm saying? You want to take that, man. If you're a dentist, you know what I'm saying? You up in their mouth, you need to do some veneers right quick and shave their teeth down. You want to take it, boy. If you're a lawyer, and I don't like lawyers because they're shicey, but some of us need lawyers at times that's not shicey, right? So if you're a lawyer and you got to study a case for 34 hours just to keep you up right here. If you're a gamer, you know what I'm saying? You over there playing Fortnite, boy, getting whooped. If you over there at Apex getting your brains blew out, you take that boy, you gonna be a god. You gonna be like that boy Timmy or somebody. You know what I mean? It's Timmy. Hey, boy, huh? Who else we got? If you're a construction worker, you know what I'm saying, and you got that jack, this is where it's at, baby. You want to go wild. You know what I'm saying? Hey, if you any type of worker, if you're a hard worker, you want to be a harder worker, this is what you want. Go wild, because it's no joke. Look what it did to me, man. So this outfit right here, which is designer, but we ain't gonna talk about that. There's no need, you know what I mean? People, y'all don't care about all this designer jewelry, do you? Anyway, look how Jackie got me. I can't fit this no more. When I bought this, it was loose. Now my chest sitting up, my abs locked in. Go wild, baby. It's about 100 degrees out here, boy.
Yeah, it's been hot.
It's about 100 degrees out here, boy. It's a beauty, ain't it?
Yeah.
That's a beauty right there. Yeah, I'm just out today in sunny California. You know, I feel for people that's not in California. Everybody always asks me, come to Europe, come to Germany, come to Africa, come to Australia. Why? I'm in a place where I get any season I want. Beauty, trees, hustle. See, when you wake up out here, I gotta get it, I gotta get it. It's just implanted in your mind. Ain't no laziness, we ain't waiting on the stimulus check, none of this. You know, we going to get it, man. I'm crazy.
With the Louis on today too?
Little, man, we don't, hey,
What?
stay humble, Hyphy Whitey.
Oh, sorry, my bad.
Stay humble, man. You know, you gotta stay humble, man. You know what I'm talking about? You gotta stay humble.
Sorry, I got distracted by the watch.
Yeah, watch yourself. I'm trying to, I'm flying. You gotta stay humble, man. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
With a little Fiji water, stay humble.
Oh, okay.
You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Stay humble. You gotta stay humble.
You keep saying you want Botox, but you never go.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if they get to give me a facial up in there. You know what
I
I'm
know,
saying?
I know. What do you mean by facial? I know.
7-Eleven. Gambling at the casinos, like gambling with Bitcoin, crypto, Dogecoin. Where y'all at? Why they ain't promoting it no more? What's going on? I want to invest. Who should I invest with, y'all? Shanibu, Vote, Doge, crypto. Which one should I invest in? Y'all let me know in the comment section. We had this beautiful place sell salads, expensive salads. very expensive salads. So we just got the salmon. We got an extra thing of apple. I've been eating 1 or 2 apples a day. Very good salad, but very expensive. It's like they use a whole bag of that stuff, huh? Up in there. That's probably why it's so expensive. We paying for the whole bag of lettuce. Got a little How you say it?
Balsamic vinegar.
Balsamic.
He almost said basmati rice.
Yeah, I almost said basmati. I know what I almost said. Thank you for this day. Thank you for blessing us. We ask that you watch over our health, wealth, success, our family, friends, all the positive people of the world. And let this be a spectacular year with hyphy subs, with content, and all our other business endeavors. Amen. My first time eating today. And what time is it? 3 o'clock?
Yep.
Let's see. 3:04 p.m. First time eating since last night at, well, I had them snacks about 11. So, whenever you're doing intermittent fasting, anything like that, you want to start the first meal off something healthy, bro. Even though you want to eat healthy, period. You want to make sure that first meal, like a salad, some oatmeal, some clean food. This is a good way to start out. This feels good and fresh. Some apples crunching. That salmon just melting in my mouth. That lettuce just cleaning everything up in the inside. I'm trying to tell you how if you white how to eat clean. But he likes those cream pies at the grocery store.
Okay.
This man got $10 water.
It was actually $5.
Homie, you
What?
go to the top, the sink, and get that.
Oh, I thought you were trying to teach me to be healthy. That's why I got that water.
There's nothing wrong with a little tap water. You don't notice in that. And that's what's wrong with y'all when y'all get some money, man. I'll start acting different, man.
Yeah.
Start acting bougie in Hollywood.
Yeah.
Look what LA did to you.
A little bit, yeah.
I'm trying to get him, y'all. I'm trying to get him, y'all. Trying to tell him he don't need all that jewelry.
But why are you wearing it then?
Hey, do as I say, not as I do. I read a comment. You know, I don't read them often. And he said on the jewelry video, $20 million in jewelry, which I didn't get, guys, by the way. I don't think I would spend that. I don't know. I can't say, I ain't even say that. I don't know. But anyway, he said, why spend all that money and I could just give it away to strangers? I'll let y'all respond to that. Why would I work hard to get my money and I could give it away? He said you're not gonna die with it. How did he know? I got kids. They gonna have kids. Could get passed down the line. Why would you spend that money? You could have made some more of me. And I will serve you and do what you say. Either golly bug, tacky. Oh yeah. Harpy. He want to get that 30-minute video. He about to start giving y'all long videos again.
Bro, just f***ing eat. You ain't gotta do nothing. I'm just gonna record, bro. That's all they want to see. Just eat, dog.
I'm with it, bro.
Just eat.
He like he looking at the camera. Last clips he did. Oh yeah, that's 5 minutes. That's 6.
You're right.
I'm on 25 minutes.
Yeah,
now.
I'm at about 18 right now.
Oh yeah, 18.
Yeah, I gotta get up to 20 at least, man.
Oh, yeah.
I got goals to hit, man.
Oh, yeah.
I got goals, bro.
Click here to watch another awesome video from Cali Muscle. And if you support the channel, hit the subscribe button.